Before you spend your money on PTZ Crystal Serum, before you spend your money on PTZ Crystal Serum, You need to watch this because what's being promised and what you actually get might be two very different things. So I decided to test PTZ Crystal Serum myself and see if it really lives up to the hype of being a 9H ceramic coating with 10 plus years protection. And honestly, the results were not as impressive as the marketing makes it seem. The application process is extremely simple, just wipe on and buff, which already raises questions because real professional-grade ceramic coatings usually require careful prep, curing time, and multiple steps, and after applying it, yes, the surface does look shinier and smoother, but it feels more like a temporary polish rather than a durable coating, and within days to a couple of weeks, that slick effect starts fading, especially after exposure to dust, water, and regular washing, which makes the 10 plus years protection claim feel unrealistic. Another thing I noticed is the heavy use of AI-generated ads showing dramatic before and after transformations that don't reflect real-world usage. Plus, there's no solid proof behind the 9H hardness claim, no verified lab testing or credible data. And when you dig deeper, you'll find similar products on wholesale platforms for just a few dollars. Yet this is being sold at a much higher price under different names, which suggests rebranding and dropshipping rather than a premium formula. And on top of that, customer feedback across different platforms is inconsistent, with some users reporting delayed shipping and poor support. So overall, while PTZ Crystal Serum might give a short-term shine boost, it doesn't perform like a true ceramic coating. So if you're expecting long-term protection, you might want to think twice before buying.